You routinely provide legal advice and guidance as outside general counsel to mid-sized companies and nonprofits. For what type of matters do organizations come to you for counsel?
Well, generally, what happens is when I get a corporation that's looking for outside general counsel, I'm acting as if I am their general counsel and I will handle everything, every single legal problem that presents itself, from hiring employees to property issues, zoning, tax. I have corporate clients where we do trademark work. And so what happens is I am acting as their general counsel. And if there's a trademark issue, let's say, if any issue that I don't have the expertise in, I'll turn to one of my partners. So in the trademark case, I have a corporate client now. We needed to register trademarks, and my partner Joe Fortner, he does trademarks all the time, and so it was very simple for me to just asked Joe to help, and we provided the services. It's kind of like having a legal department, the whole firm, and I'm the general counsel. I'm kind of the gatekeeper. So a lot of my corporate clients, that's what I do. I give them general advice because they don't need to have somebody in house. And it's very handy for them to have somebody that they can turn to that gets to know their business and works at a firm that has other lawyers that can do things that maybe I don't have the particular experience to do. So as far as those kinds of clients, I will take those and be a generalist. As far as any specific issues with the corporations, usually that's we're talking litigation, either plaintiff or defense. It doesn't really matter to me which side you're on. I want to know what happened, what's the law. To me, labels are a way to dismiss people without listening to what they have to say. I have no problem filing a lawsuit for a corporation or defending. And I think that's one of the advantages of coming to somebody like me and a firm like ours. But in particular, I do both sides. And so I have a good understanding of the motivations of both sides and really when both sides might have a good idea to resolve. When is it a good idea? And I can tell from both sides because I've been on both sides. So those are the kind of things that I usually will represent corporations on. On the nonprofit, it's the same thing. It's general counsel stuff, and I've done a lot. I was general counsel for Unico National, which is a Italian American service organization with over 5,000 members in over 20 states, and get the full range of legal problems that nonprofits have, as well as I was general counsel for over 8 years to LiveKind. .org, and LiveKind is a nonprofit that specializes in community police relations as well as inner city school issues, in particular the issues of bullying. And there's a lot of issues with regard to representing nonprofits, especially going into the schools, and we have substantial experience doing that. Um, I think that it's a very rewarding area, and that my favorite thing about representing nonprofits is that we're not motivated by the bottom dollar. We're motivated by really the good that we can do for the community. That's what the clients look at, and I like representing clients like that.